Hi guys, in this video I will guide you on how to lock any app with Face ID or passcode on your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro. And trust me, the process is quite simple. Now there are basically two ways you can go about doing this. For the first option, you want to head over to the apps library and then locate the shortcuts application on your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro. Mine is literally over here. If you cannot find it, you can use the search input from the apps library and then search for the shortcut application and you should be able to find it. If you're still not able to find it from over here, you can actually download the shortcut application from the app store of your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro. Just go ahead and search for shortcuts and you should be able to find it from over here. Make sure you download and install it into your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro and then open it up once it is downloaded. You want to first of all create an action using the shortcut application. So click on the plus icon at the top right corner of the shortcut application and then just use the search input over here to search for lock screen. You can literally see the option already. Go ahead and select that and now it has been added. You want to go back to the shortcuts home screen and now you want to just select on the animations option on the center just like so. Now click on new animation and then just proceed to search for apps from over here. So just go ahead and search for apps or app just like so. You can see that option over here. Select that and at this point you want to first of all make sure that is opened is selected and then also at the bottom make sure you select on the run immediately option. You can also choose to turn on notification or turn off notification once the applications are logged on your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro. The final thing you want to do is to choose the applications you want to lock. So click on choose option over here. Scroll through all of the applications on your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro. In my case, I actually want to lock the Snapchat application, so I will select it and then I also want to lock the Roblox applications and the Photos applications. Once you're done selecting the app you wish to lock, click on the check button at the top and then just proceed to click on the next button over here. Finally, where we have shortcuts, that is my shortcuts, you want to select that and then make sure that lock screen is actually selected and you're good to go. Now if you try to open up any of the applications that we have just locked on your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro, you're actually going to be required to enter your passcode. So once you enter your passcode or Face ID, the application will automatically be opened up, and that is the same thing for literally any application that was locked using this particular method. Another simple way you can still lock apps on your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro is to just long press on that specific application you want to lock. So let's take for instance, I want to lock the fitness application. I will just long press on it and then just select on the require Face ID option. In some cases, you're going to get the require passcode option as well. Tap on that, then click on require Face ID. Now you want to enter your passcode for opening this particular application. And once you're done, you're good to go. Now, if you try to open up this application again, you will actually be required to go through your Face ID before you can actually access it. And if I use my Face ID, automatically, I should now be able to access that particular application. That'll be all on this video, guys. Please let me know if this tutorial was helpful, guys.